Hello, my friend, and welcome back to the Lexicon Ledger. Let me ask you something. Do you sometimes understand English but feel nervous when you speak? Maybe you know many words, maybe you studied grammar for years, but when it is time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank? Yes, that happens to many English learners. But here is the good news. You do not need perfect English to speak better English. You only need simple habits, simple rules, small daily improvements. Today, I will share 10 simple rules to speak better English. Easy rules, practical rules, real-life rules. So relax, maybe drink some tea, maybe continue cooking dinner, and let's improve your English together. Speaking English is a skill, and like every skill, it improves with practice, not with stress, not with fear, and definitely not by waiting to become perfect. Many learners think, I will speak English when my grammar is perfect. But no, you become better by speaking, not before speaking. Today's episode is designed for beginners and lower intermediate learners. I will speak slowly and clearly, and we will practice together. Ready? Let's begin with rule number 1. Rule number 1. Speak every day. Even 5 minutes helps. Yes, only 5 minutes. Speak to yourself. Speak to your pet. Speak while cooking. For example, I am cutting onions. I am making coffee. I am going to work. Simple English is powerful English. Many learners wait for a conversation partner, but your mouth needs practice every day. So remember, small daily speaking is better than one long study session. Rule number 2. Use simple sentences. Do not try to sound super smart. Many learners create very long sentences and then become confused. Instead, use short and clear English. For example, not this. Due to the circumstances that are happening currently. Too long. Try this. Because of the situation now. Much easier. Clear English is good English. Rule number 3. Repeat useful phrases. Native speakers repeat phrases all the time. For example, how's it going? That makes sense. I'm not sure. Can you repeat that? Repeat these phrases again and again. Why? Because your brain remembers patterns. English becomes faster and more natural. Rule number 4. Listen before you speak. Good speaking starts with good listening. Listen to simple English podcasts. Watch simple videos. Listen carefully to pronunciation. And here is an important tip. Do not only listen with your ears, listen with your mouth. Pause the audio, repeat the sentence. This is called shadowing. For example, speaker says, I'm a little tired today. You repeat, I'm a little tired today. Very simple, very powerful. Rule number 5. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are normal, really normal. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The goal is communication, not perfection. Imagine this situation. You say, he go to school yesterday. Is the grammar perfect? No. But can people understand you? Yes. Communication first, perfection later. Rule number 6. Learn words in groups. Do not study random words alone. Study phrases. For example, instead of learning only the word hungry, learn I'm hungry, I'm really hungry, I'm a little hungry. This helps you speak faster in real life. Rule number 7. Think in English. This is a big one. Try small thoughts in English. For example, it's raining, I need my keys. That food smells good. At first, it feels strange, but slowly your brain becomes more comfortable with English. Rule number 8. Speak slowly. Many learners try to speak very fast, but fast English is not always clear English. Slow speaking is okay. Actually, slow speaking sounds confident. Take your time. Breathe. Think. Then speak. Rule number 9. Ask questions. Questions create conversation, and conversation improves speaking. Simple questions are enough. What do you mean? How is your day? Where are you from? Questions keep English moving. Rule number 10. Enjoy the process. Yes, this rule is important. If learning English feels painful every day, you will stop. So enjoy small progress. Celebrate little wins. Maybe today you learned one new phrase. Wonderful. Maybe today you spoke for 2 minutes without fear. Amazing. Progress is progress. And remember, your English does not need to be perfect to be valuable. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake number 1, translating everything. Many learners think in their language first, then translate into English. This is very slow. Instead, learn English phrases directly. For example, not I make a photo. Better, I take a photo. Learn natural English patterns. Mistake number 2, studying too much grammar. Grammar is useful, but speaking also needs practice. Some learners study grammar for 3 hours, but never speak. That is like reading about swimming without entering the water. A little funny, right? You must actually speak. Mistake number 3, being afraid of accents. Listen carefully. You do not need an American movie accent. You only need clear pronunciation. Your accent is okay. Be understandable, be confident. That is enough. Okay, now let's practice together. I will say a sentence, then you repeat after me. Ready? I speak English every day. Good. Again, I speak English every day. Excellent. Mistakes help me learn. Very nice. Again, mistakes help me learn. I can speak slowly and clearly. Wonderful. Again, I can speak slowly and clearly. I do not need perfect English. Very important sentence. Again, I do not need perfect English. 1 step every day. Again, 1 step every day. Great job. See? You're already practicing real English. Now let's hear a simple real-life example. Imagine you meet someone at a cafe. You say, "Hi, is this seat free?" The other person says, "Yes, please sit down." Then you say, "Thank you. How's your day going?" Simple, friendly, natural. The other person says, "Pretty good, just a little busy." And you answer, "Yeah, me too. Work has been busy lately." See? This conversation is not complicated. No difficult grammar, no advanced vocabulary. Just simple communication. That is real English. And honestly, many native speakers also use simple English every day. Before we finish, let's quickly review the 10 simple rules. Speak every day. Use simple sentences. Repeat useful phrases. Listen before speaking. Do not fear mistakes. Learn words in groups. Think in English. Speak slowly. Ask questions. Enjoy the process. Simple rules, but powerful rules. Remember, fluent English is not magic. It is daily practice, little by little, step by step. And yes, you can do this. Thank you so much for spending time with me today here on the Lexicon Ledger. I hope this episode helped you feel calmer, more confident, and more motivated to speak English. And remember, do not wait to become perfect. Start speaking today. Even small English is real English. If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Tell me, which rule was your favorite today, and what topic would you like to practice next? Take care, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next episode of the Lexicon Ledger. Bye for now.